Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Trello Teams detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Trello Teams subscription, start by logging into your Trello account. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. On the left side, locate the team you want to manage. Click on the team name to open the team settings. In the team settings menu, look for the settings option. Select settings to access the team details. Scroll down to find the billing section. In the billing section, you will see your subscription details. Look for the option that says Cancel Subscription. Click on Cancel Subscription to proceed. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about canceling. Read the information presented carefully. If you're certain, confirm your choice to cancel. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification about the cancellation. Make sure to check your email for confirmation of the cancellation. Your Trello Teams subscription will remain active until the end of the billing cycle. After that, you will no longer be charged. Be sure to download any necessary data before cancellation if needed. That's it. You have successfully canceled your Trello Teams subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.